Hey guys, and welcome. We're going to be covering 13-4 today, measuring and converting length. Last time we did it was US standard. This is metric. So a little bit different, but same strategies apply. Our 24 for today is 7, 4, 4, and 12. See if you can come up with a solution to that. Put it in the comments when you do it, or whatever you can to get it to us. All right, without further ado, we have it. So we're going to be talking about metric measurement. So ones that we're going to commonly use is centimeters, meters, and kilometers. So these are the ones we're going to be using today, and we're going to be converting. There are some others that you'll get into more, millimeters. There's some rarer used ones, hectometers, and things like that. The nice thing is metric is base 10 standard. So stuff you're going to be using base 10, 10, 100, 1,000. Okay, so if we have 100 centimeters, it equals 1 meter. And 1,000 meters equal 1 kilometer. So, important things to know that there's 100 centimeters in each meter, there's 1,000 meters in each kilometer. So from that we could actually figure out how many centimeters are in a kilometer. It's a big number, which is fun, so we would have to times, each meter has 100 centimeters, we have 1,000 meters, so we could times it by 100 to get it. So, Miss Shelley knows it's got 5 zeros and then a 1. So 100,000 centimeters for each kilometer. That's a lot. So just like that, we use, remember, if you're going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you have to divide. If you're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply. And let's use that. We have 5 meters. I want to know how many centimeters we have. So we're going to have to times it by how many ever centimeters are in each meter, which we know is 100. So we're going to go 5 times 100, and that equals 500 centimeters. So if we have 5 meters, we times it by how many ever centimeters are in each meter, and we get how many total centimeters we have. So we have 500 centimeters. Another example. I have 2,000 meters. I want to know how many kilometers I have. So what I'm going to have to do is divide by how many meters are in a kilometer. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So I take 2,000 meters and I divide by how many meters are in a kilometer, and that's 1,000. So 1,000 can't go into 2, can't go into 20, can't go into 200, but it can go into 2,000 twice. So we have 2 kilometers in 2,000 meters. So it's just that, guys. Now we can go, like we just did, that big one. We can go, I have 3 kilometers. I want to know how many centimeters I have. So this is that 2-step process. So we're going to have to convert to, there's actually 2 ways you can do this. So bear with me here, guys. We can times it by how many meters are in each, and then do then do centimeters. So we have 1,000 meters in each kilometer. So that equals 3,000. Then that's how many meters we have. We're trying to find out how many centimeters. So we times 3,000 times 100, and we get 0.00003. So there is 300,000 centimeters for 3 kilometers. The other way we can do that is, we did it on the first one. We figured out there are 100,000 centimeters per kilometer. So we could take 3 times 100,000, and it would do the same thing. It still equals 300,000 centimeters. Again, just know that on that first page where I showed you, hey, there's 100 centimeters per meter, there are 1,000 meters per kilometer. That's very important information to have down and to be using for your conversions. So we're going to go our 4 problems here. And I'll do the bonus 5th one over here. I can tell you the 5th one right now is measuring your height in meters and centimeters. So I want to know how tall you are in meters and centimeters. And you're going to have to use both of those. So measure yourself first. You might be 1 meter and such centimeters long. Or, you know, so that's how I want to figure out how tall you are. That's number 5. Always one we're going to be using. Another one, I want to know how here we go. I have 300, or actually 3,000 centimeters. I want to know how many meters. Next one, I have 4,000 meters. I want to know how many kilometers. Okay, I have 5 kilometers. I want to know how many centimeters. And the last one, I have 10,500 meters. I want 2 on this. I want to know how many kilometers. And you're going to have meters in that because there's some left over. And, so that's A here. And on B, I want to know how many centimeters. So there you go. You got 5 problems. Make sure you have fun with this, guys. We're getting close to the end. We only have 2 more math lessons and one assessment. So I hope you're doing well, and I hope this finds you well. Good luck with this, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us. Thank you very much.